What's up, fellow backyard barbecuers? My name's Jason Hamilton, and today I'm here with Z Grills. We have an amazing recipe for pork belly burnt ends. Let's get right into it. Okay, so I've got my pork belly here. Now this is about $45 worth, a little bit under, but depending on your serving size, you're gonna wanna level that up depending on the party you're having also for the summer. Now, you're gonna wanna have this remain cold because as you cut it, which I'm gonna show you here in a second, that's gonna be crucial keeping everything together. And we're gonna have it in 1x1 squares. Now this is already actually cut up for me, which they eliminated a step for us. But normally this would be an entire slab. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting these up into 1-inch squares here. I'm just gonna do 2 at a time. And this is when you're gonna figure out why it's important to have these cool down versus room temperature, because cutting them can be a little challenging. And also I might mention that before you cut it up into 1x1s, you wanna make sure that it's even all the way around. And if you have any uneven fat edges, you're gonna wanna trim that off, because as you transfer it over to the grill, it's gonna cook unevenly. So that's really important. While I cut this up here, the remaining bits, we've started our Z grill here at 250 degrees. Okay, that's gonna be the cooking temperature throughout on these, both for the first part and the second part. It's gonna be about 20 minutes prep time. Cook time of about total 4.5 hours, depending on your personal preference on how you like your burnt ends. Now there's a couple ways that you can cook your pork belly burnt ends. Today we're gonna be cooking them confit style, and I'm gonna be cooking them fat down because they're gonna be in the half pan. So we just got a few pieces left here to cut into our 1x1s. This is a half slab here. Like I said, I got this for under $45. You can go to your local meat market and get your favorite pork belly that you prefer. So just a couple more cuts here, and then we're gonna move on to our dry rub. And again, that's gonna be up to your guys' personal preference on which dry rub and sauces you're gonna be using. And we'll get into our dry rub. Okay, so as I was saying earlier, we're going to take our pork belly, mix it with our dry rub here, and there's no right or wrong way to do this. Use it as liberally or as less as you prefer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start sprinkling it across. Mix it around a little bit. Got to cover all those edges. Just get in there, have fun with it. You know, one of the things about backyard barbecues is you're always having fun while doing it. You got friends and family everywhere. You're like the center of attention, so you gotta have fun. You're like the life of the party. Okay, so now we've got these beautifully seasoned with our dry rub. I'm gonna take a few out here so I can start laying the fat side down so we can cook them confit style in this half pan. You just wanna line them up next to each other. You don't need to have any space between them because they're gonna cover up this whole bottom and then some. I don't want it to be sitting on top of each other because the fat to meat ratio is absolutely perfect on these. So I'm adding a second tray so we can have them nice and even on both of those so they can cook to perfection for you. So let's go ahead and, I say I can't wait, but it's gonna be almost 4 hours until these are done. 3.5 cook time. But then once we add the sauce, it's another 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on your personal preference. 30 minutes on the side if you wanted a little bit more saucy, more on the 1 hour side if you wanted a little bit more tacky with that sauce. Okay, voila. We've got 2 beautiful trays here ready to go in our grill. Fired up at 250. We're gonna cook it for 3.5 hours, and we'll find out, we're gonna take a look at the color, see how it looks in 3.5 hours. Got our pork belly perfectly placed here in our half pans. Got our grill set to 250. We're gonna be cooking this for 3.5 hours, pulling out, checking out that great color. Let's get it going. Woo. That smell from those wood pellets is amazing right now, guys. Set this. We'll see you back in 3.5 hours. All right, backyard barbecuers, I'm back here. It's been 3.5 hours with our pork belly burnt ends. Let's check them out. You know, before I get into that though, we want to make sure that the temperature isn't south of 190. 195 is that sweet spot. Anywhere north of 200, you're gonna get broken burnt ends. They're gonna fall apart, and that's not what you want. Typically, you would check that with a meat thermometer, but fortunate for us, this barbecue set has 2 built-in thermometers that you can attach right here. So you're not gonna lose any of that heat checking the temperature. You can read it right here on the digital readout. That's awesome. So let's check it here. We're right at that sweet spot, 195 right now, so let's open it up. Whoa, my goodness, you guys gotta see this color. Look at this. That is what we're looking for, that color right there. Oh, beautiful. Let me close this back up. Now's my favorite part. You guys get to choose the sauce. I brought my sauce. I like the applewood smoke honey maple. It's gonna add a little bit of that sweetness that I like, a little bit of sweet with a little bit of heat. That's my preference. So I'm gonna let these simmer here a little bit, move them around. Okay, we're gonna transfer these over here so they can stop cooking. And then we can add that barbecue sauce here once we get it to cool down a little bit. And just be kind of careful with these, because the confit style cooks all the way through the fat, you wanna just be gentle loosening them up so you don't lose any of that whole piece that we worked so hard for. All right, beautiful. So I'm just gonna move this guy over here. Got our pork belly burnt ends here. Got my barbecue sauce, and I'm just gonna start adding it. Just gonna lightly cover the tops here. Remember, you can always add more, can't take it back. Mix it up, play with it a little bit. You want a little bit of sauce on the bottom, add a little bit more. And here's also where you can get a little bit of creative with honey to add a little bit more sweetness. You can even throw bits of pineapple into it, get a little bit of sweetness. Add some sriracha, any kind of spicy chili pepper flakes, a little bit more. That should be good right there. Now, personally, I like it a little bit tackier. That's also gonna give it a little bit more of that burnt end texture versus the saucy texture. So I'm gonna go more along the 45, 50 minute line versus the 30. All right, and it's gonna be at 250 degrees. I'm gonna throw them back in there for 45 minutes. There they are. We'll see you in 45. Let's open this up. And again, that internal temperature should be set at 190, 195. Any hotter than that, they're gonna fall apart. And if your grill is not built in with this digital readout, you can just pop it in here, check it like that. And a quick telltale sign to see if it's gonna be done is if it doesn't give you any resistance. You don't even have to look at it, you can feel the pork belly being done with no resistance. So 195, back on here for 45 minutes so we can get that tackiness of the sauce. We'll see you then. Backyard barbecues, it's been 45 minutes. I can smell the deliciousness from out here, but let's open it up and check it out. Oh my goodness, you guys, the color on these is absolutely phenomenal. Ooh, the smell, you can smell that sweetness, and if you can look at this, the tackiness is there, the sauce is disintegrated. I can't wait to get these out of here and onto here so they can rest for about 5 minutes or so, and then we can try them. All right, guys, it's been long enough. I can't wait any longer. Let's get into these. Oh, perfection. The tackiness of the sauce, 45 minutes was absolutely perfect. The amount of fat that we had on these pork belly burnt ends, wow, these are amazing. I'm so digging the fact that we cooked these confit style today. We have no mess on our grill. All of it was kept within our pan. And these are so delicious, guaranteed to be the next big bite at your big barbecue, okay? So again, guys, that's Jason here with Z Grill's Barbecue with our pork belly burnt ends. Please, if you like what we did here today, give that thumbs up a smash, subscribe. All the links are going to be down below. Again, that's Jason with Z Grills. We'll see you in the next one.